Hello people, welcome back to another episode of Logging It. Today in this video I will be showing you how you can change this search engine from the Duckduckgo to the Google and make Google your default search engine. Now for that, first of all you need to open a web browser on your PC. Tap open the web browser that you have been currently using and where Duckduckgo is the current search engine for your web browser. As you can see, my current search engine is Duckduckgo. Now I want to change it to the Google and make it a default search engine. For that, you need to click on the three horizontal lines, that is the menu icon on the top of the right side of your screen. Click on it. Then if you scroll down and look over there, you will see the options, that is the settings icon. Click on it. You will be directed to the settings option of the web browser. Now here you click on search, and if you scroll down, you will see the option of default search engine. This is your default search engine in the address bar and search bar. You can switch it at any time. To switch it, you need to click on the drop-down menu, and from here you can choose the option Google and it will get automatically set as the default search engine. Now to check whether the changes has been updated on the browser or not, you can click on New tab and there you can see Search with Google. That means the changes that you have made on the default search engine was updated right after. Hope this video was useful to you on how you can change your search engine from Duckduckgo to the Google with just few simple clicks on your web browser setting. If this video was useful to you, please like and subscribe the Logging It channel and do click on the bell icon for the notification and updates on videos. Thank you.